Working on a video editing project from older Adobe Premiere versions, PPJ files contain legacy Premiere project data with timeline edits and references. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and migrate these Adobe Premiere Pro project files. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like PPJ. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. A PPJ file is a project file created by Adobe Premiere Pro, a professional video editing application. It does not contain actual video or audio media, but acts as a blueprint, storing edits, effects, timelines, and references to the source media files. Users create and open PPJ files to work on their video editing projects. The PPJ format is a complex proprietary file, often XML-based or a binary container, that organizes all project metadata. It's designed to be non-destructive, meaning it only references source files and records editing decisions. This allows for flexibility, smaller project file sizes, and efficient management of complex video timelines. Adobe Premiere Pro from Adobe Systems Incorporated is the core program designed for the PPJ structure. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows may open the video instantly, but detailed frame-by-frame editing requires a dedicated program. Your reliable starting move is the Open With action. Right-click the PPJ file and select Open With. If Adobe Premiere Pro is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If you are still having trouble opening the PPJ file, do not worry. The failure means we need to check the fundamentals. Let's perform these 3 essential system and file checks immediately. First, opening in Legacy Premiere. If you have access to Adobe Premiere 6.5, install the legacy version and open the PPJ file directly. Older Premiere reads native PPJ projects with full timeline reconstruction. This is the only way to access PPJ files with complete fidelity to the original project structure. Next, importing into Premiere Pro. Modern Adobe Premiere Pro CC versions can import legacy PPJ files through File Import. Premiere Pro converts the project to the current PRPROJ format, preserving timeline structure, clip references, and basic effects. Verify all media files are accessible to avoid offline clips after migration. Finally, recovering media manually. If PPJ import fails, open the file in a text editor to identify referenced media file paths. Manually locate the source media files and recreate the project structure in current Premiere Pro. This time-consuming approach is a last resort when automated migration tools cannot process older PPJ projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.